wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best water tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you've got a tiny fisher on your hands, get him or her the little Tikes Fish and Splash. It comes with a rod that can be used to hook the sea creatures as they float around in the water. It also includes a net for those who need an easier way to catch. It's got a built-in drain hole and plug and can help teach counting. However, it tends to leak around the plug. At number 9, the Step 2 Cascading Cove is a combination sand and water table that features a removable lid with molded-in roadways for additional play surfaces. The entire unit can be safely latched when not in use using the elastic tie-downs. It includes a moat with 2 bridges and promotes imaginative play, but the umbrella feels a bit flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The little Tikes Spiralin Seas is small enough that one parent can move it with ease, but just big enough for 2 or 3 kids to play together. It includes 1 water cup and 5 round characters that squirt water to amuse kids and keep them occupied. Got a fully rotating Ferris wheel and the water bucket hooks onto the side. However, it could be more durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for water tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ECR for Kids ELR 12401 comes in 2 and 4 station options and promotes tactile discovery, fine motor skills and social interaction. It's suitable for both sand and water and is ideal for preschools where you need places for a lot of children to play at the same time. The basin is removable for easy cleaning and the height of the legs is adjustable, but it is a very basic design that can be boring. Moving up our list to number 6. The Liberty Imports Sandbox Castle is at just the right height for 2 and 3-year-olds to play without having to hunch. It includes a watering can, a shovel, a rake, a castle and more. Plus it feels very stable and won't tip over during intense play. The bright colors are fun for kids and the legs are detachable for easy storage. However, note that it is smaller than it looks in the pictures. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Step 2 Splish Splash Seas has enough room for up to 5 kids to play simultaneously and lots of fun activities like a waterfall, a water slide and more. It also comes with a large umbrella to help protect children from the sun. This one's elevated for preschoolers and enhances fine motor skills. It includes multiple accessories. At number 4, the jonti-craft see-thru helps develop spatial awareness in kids because they can see their water play from multiple angles. It's available in 3 sizes, one for toddlers, one for older children, and one designed for a single child to use. It includes a drain for easy cleaning and a durable birch frame. However, the locks on the casters tend to break. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, your kid will love the Little Tikes Anchors Away with its fun pirate-themed design and battery-operated continuous flow fountain on the mast. It's made in the USA, so it's safe and has a functioning water cannon, so kids can shoot at the figures and whales. It includes lots of spinning activities and 2 pirate characters, plus you can drop and raise the anchor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for water tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, coming with 3 popular characters from its namesake cartoon, the Step 2 Paw Patrol is sure to please any fans of the show. It features a water launcher kids can use to attack the characters, or if they prefer, they can use the characters themselves as water squirters. There's a whirlpool spinner in the center, and it entertains kids for a long time. It feels very sturdy. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the EDX Education is suitable for sand or water play and is easy to move thanks to 2 attached casters on one end. It's available in 2 heights to suit children of different ages, and its frame is made of durable powder-coated steel that won't rust. This one's large enough for small groups to use and includes a lid for storage. The tray can hold up to 176 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for water tables, or simply click beneath this video.